chickens are waiting. Papa, wake up! The chickens are hungry.
5 more minutes, just 5.
Papa, Bella is calling you, specifically.
You and your chickens, Liam.
Papa, Bella is calling you.
Bella is a chicken, son. She doesn't know my name.
She knows, Papa. She knows.
Good morning, farm.
Good morning, Bella.
See? She looked at you. She knows your name.
Oh, maybe she does.
Jake, after this, the tomatoes need water, and Tom called yesterday.
Okay. First chai, then tomatoes, then Tom.
You and your first chai every morning.
Sarah, chai is important. This is not a discussion. Liam, help me, not the mud.
Papa, I am helping. The mud needs water too.
Okay, fair point. Look at this one. Big, red, beautiful.
Wow! That's the biggest tomato.
This is for Mama's dinner. Be careful.
It's okay.
Yes, it's fine. Give it here. Jake! Good morning, neighbor. Your tomatoes look very good this year, Jake. Sarah's idea. She said more water morning and evening. Smart woman. Jake, the Harvest Festival next week. Are you coming? Of course. Every year, Tom.
Tom, Uncle, is there going to be food? Is there going to be cake?
Yes, Liam. Lots of food. I think so.
Papa, we have to go.
See? Now we're definitely going.
Tomato soup, vegetables, and fresh bread.
Everything from our farm?
Everything.
Papa, we're eating the farm. Mama, can Bella come inside for dinner?
No,
She's hungry.
she ate this morning.
She told me she's still hungry.
Jake.
Liam, Bella is a chicken. Chickens don't come inside.
Bella will be sad.
We'll give her extra food tomorrow.
Okay!
Good day today, Jake.
Every day here is a good day.
This is our farm. This is our life. Simple but good.